Hey guys, what's up? Nurse Photographer here. I hope you guys are doing great. I don't think I have ever introduced myself properly to you guys. That's why in this video, I will share some stories about myself. Ngayon, may mga nag-PM sa akin asking help for their CES, visa screen, and NCLEX. And I would be glad to help you guys, especially if within my capacity. For example, parehas tayong New Mexico Board of Nursing, under New Mexico Board of Nursing. So I think makakatulong talaga ako. Pero kung sakaling sa New York ka, I think Nurse Gay Lim, content creator din siya sa YouTube. And I think yung content niya mas makakatulong, no? So mas okay na guide yun. So isasend ko sa inyo yung link ng vlog niya. Ngayon, sa mga nagtatanong kung nasa Pilipinas pa ako, opo, nasa Pilipinas pa ako at sabay-sabay tayong pupunta sa States. I'm currently not practicing nursing, and that is the reason why I have time to make YouTube videos and maghanap ng mga guests online para sa Nurse Talk series. And tingin ko kasi parang that is the only way for me to make a contribution sa mga fellow nurses ko since wala naman ako sa bedside para makatulong. Ngayon, I started this channel last year when COVID hit. And pero alam mo yun, hindi ako seryoso that time eh. Wala akong schedule, and kung feel ko lang mag-shoot, gagawin ko lang, no? Kung may maisip lang ako ng topic, gagawin ko lang. So, totally hindi talaga seryoso. And actually, 1 month na ako nagseseryoso ngayon sa channel ko. And actually, I got accepted in a government and private hospitals na in-applyan ko last month. Natapos na nga ako sa lahat ng requirements sa NBI, sa medicals. Yes, nagpa-medical na ako. And sa mga paperworks. Pero last minute, nag-back out ako because, well, something happened. And I would have to delay my plans because of the current situation. So I am here trying to make YouTube content full-time instead of playing Dota 2. Oo, naglalaro ako ng Dota 2 and I always play Techies and Keeper of Light unless syempre maban sila sa laro. Right now, I have a list of topics that I want to cover and a lineup of guests for the Nurse Talk series. Pero if you guys want me to cover certain nursing topics, please let me know. Comment nyo lang down below ha, para alam ko din. Also, kung gusto nyo ba magsama ng ibang countries, for example, nurse from Germany, New Zealand, Australia, please let me know din para maghanap ako ng mga guests for those countries. Okay, and in the future, I will also share my YouTube room studio setup kasi marami din nag-message or nagko-compliment na maayos yung video, malinis yung audio, except lang siguro sa isang nurse talk ko, kasama ko si Brian. Sorry, Bri. And yung lighting is maayos. Maraming salamat po sa mga nakapansin. Medyo ginastasan ng konti, pero most of this gears that I have is ito rin yung ginagamit ko sa wedding before. So, parang very minimal na lang yung ginastos ko, yung sinetap ko to. And gagawin ko yun para dun sa mga interesado din magtayo ng, or mag-start ng YouTube content nila, mag-guide sila somehow. And also, no, I will start some affiliate links on my channel since I have some bills to pay then. Hopefully, no, some of the viewers would support me and I would really appreciate it kung makakatulong po. Pero kung hindi, okay lang din. Also, kung may kilala kayong nursing friend na willing to share their experience sa Nurse Talk series, please let me know. Pwede nyo siguro i-DM na lang sa akin sa socials para I can speak and film with them. Kasi I believe, no, na each one of us has a story to tell and sobrang dami tayong matutulungan sa mga experiences natin. It doesn't matter actually kung 5 years or 6 months pa lang sa States. Iba't iba kasing experience natin and yung journey natin papuntang Amerika. For example, yung mga bago pa lang sa States, yung mga 6 months pa lang, parang they can share their experience in the quarantine facility, kung bago pa yung process ng SSN, ng driver's license, kung paano sila naghanap ng apartment, paano sila nakakuha ng kotse, versus doon sa mga matatagal na sa States, for example, 3 to 5 years. I think iba din yung lesson na matutulong nila sa atin, no? For example, yung mga past mistakes nila na sana hindi na magawa ng mga bagong immigrants ngayon, kung paano sila lumipat from state to state pagkatapos ng contract nila sa agency nila or direct hire, di ba? Magandang tulong yun eh. And kung paano sila nag-jump from, sabihin natin, nursing facility to hospital or to dialysis, no? Or kung paano sila nag-process from, kung paano yung journey nila from BSN graduate or bagong nursing at nag-anesthetist sila or nurse practitioner, di ba? Very interesting, no? Ang dami natin matutulungan and tingin ko hindi lang kasi yung mismong applicant ng mga nurses ang matutulungan dito, pero pati yung mga family, no, ng mga immigrant. So, I think malaking tulong siya. Okay? Yun lang naman, maraming salamat if you're still watching. And kung kukuha ka pala ng NCLEX, don't lose hope, kayang-kaya mo yan. Kung nakapasa kami, makakapasa ka din, no? May mga kilala nga ako na it took them 3 to 5 times to pass the NCLEX and sobrang nakakabilib lang kasi saan nila kinuha yung audacity na yun, yung pagtsatsaga, yung lakas ng loob to get up 3 to 5 times just to pass the NCLEX. Parang sila talaga yung tunay na malalakas. So, yun lang naman, basta tandaan mo, maniwala ka lang sa sarili mo. Kaya mo yan, okay? Wait lang, dumating pala yung visa screen certificate ko 3 days ago. Pag yung status ng visa screen mo sa CGFNS account mo is certified na, parang less than 5 days or 5 days darating na yun sa bahay mo. So ito yung sa akin. Ayan, ito yung likod actually kasi sa harap may mga, well, may mga details na bawal. So yun lang naman. Bye!